here we go. Today we're going to take a look at what's going on behind this propeller. Just from the side view here, I see this piece of fishing line sticking out here. And by draining this gear oil, seeing that it was burnt and it doesn't sound smooth, got a little growl to it. So my anticipation is that I get to look in there and get to see some fishing line, weeds, whatever. What we're going to show you is that it's a simple, take your prop off, take your thrust washer off, check behind there, clean it out and put it back on. So here we go. Pop it off. Look at that. That's how easy it is. And look at that. It's actually, you can see it's going inside of the shaft. It's going, see that inside that seal there? Look at all that fishing line and weeds coming out of there. It's gonna need prop shaft seals, O-ring. It may be junk inside in here because we got a lot of metal going on here. Simple tech tip. Take your prop off once in a while. Check to make sure you don't have weeds fishing line.